Today, I'll walk you through how to register domains with Cloudflare even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your own domain name so you can establish your online presence with confidence. Let's get started. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the top left corner of the screen. From the main dashboard, click on Domain Registration and then select Register Domains. This is your starting point for domain registration. It's like opening the door to your new online identity. Next, you'll want to search for an available domain. In the search box, type in the domain name you wish to buy. For example, mybrandnewwebsite.com. After entering your desired name, click Search. Cloudflare will display whether the domain is available, along with its annual registration and renewal price. If the domain is available, click Add to Cart or Select. This is like putting your chosen domain into a shopping cart. Now, it's time to configure your registration details. Choose the registration term. Typically, the minimum is 1 year, but you can register for up to 10 years if you prefer. Also, consider enabling auto-renew. This feature allows Cloudflare to automatically extend your domain registration before it expires, ensuring you don't lose your domain unexpectedly. Think of it as setting up a safety net for your online brand. Next, you'll need to enter your registrant contact information. Fill in the required WOIS contact details, which include your name, address, email, and phone number. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the fields should be similar. Cloudflare automatically enables WIS privacy where permitted, which means your personal contact details will be redacted from public WIS lookup databases, a great way to keep your information secure. Once you've filled out your information, it's time to review and complete your purchase. Select your preferred payment method and take a moment to review the final invoice breakdown. When you're ready, click Finalize Purchase or Register. This is the moment you secure your domain. After registration, your domain will immediately appear in your Cloudflare account, with its DNS managed through Cloudflare's proxy network. You can now add A, AAA, or CNAME records under DNS, and then records to point your new domain to your web server or hosting platform. Plus, Cloudflare automatically issues a free universal SSL/TLS certificate for your newly registered domain, ensuring your site is secure from the get-go. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.